Hey, Larry here with Larry's Fountain Pen Review. Today is mail call day. I already had to open my little bag up because I've been waiting for this ballpoint pen to come in because I'm excited. First of all, it's a Parker ballpoint pen. I dig Parker pens. But it's not just any Parker pen. Let's take a look at it. And while you're looking at it, Mr. Announcer will read.
This is AB Rustic Relics, Bringing the Past to the Present. And they are on Facebook as AB Rustic Relics.
And what I like about Brad is that little saying here, bringing the past to the present. How well does that fit these folks? Because they do. This is Hebrew and Arabic. So I just sent it to a friend of mine to do the translation for me, and then I will do an update on this pen and fill you in on what it says. So very interesting, beautiful Parker pen, vintage, oldie but goodie. And you know, AB Rustic Relic is so correct, bringing the past to the present. Bringing it back however long it may be, years, decades, bringing it back to present now. If you're into vintage, if you're into restoring pens, and you're looking for a certain pen to restore, then I think that AB Rustic Relics is going to fit your needs. Talking about products, they have over 700 plus, probably 8 or 9 by now. And they have a lot of pens that need to be restored. And that's a good thing for people who buy pens that aren't working and restore them and either keep them or they sell them. So that's a win-win. So if you're a buyer looking to buy a vintage pen that needs to be restored, then bang, check these folks out. 2, if you're a seller, and again, you're looking to buy vintage pens that needs to be restored because you're going to sell them for a few bucks, right? Then check them out. You never know what you're going to find over at Bad Brad's place. But this is a cool pen. You know, I do enjoy ballpoint pens. And Parker is one of my favorites. You never know when you need a ballpoint pen. Like when I'm out and about, I always carry a rollerball or a ballpoint pen, or both. Because when somebody comes and asks, do you mind if I borrow your pen for a minute, Larry? Sure. I won't let them use my fountain pens. I'll let them use my ballpoint pen or my rollerball pen. Don't want to take any chances if they don't know how to use a fountain pen. So, but then I have friends that know how to use fountain pens, so I'm okay with it. I'm very protective of not just my fountain pens, of all my pens, may it be ballpoint or rollerball. But this is a beautiful blue, isn't it? It really is nice. And you know what makes this look so sharp is that famous Parker arrow. Well, that's going to do it for this session today. So let me get out of here and come back with something pretty cool. Folks, God bless each and every one of you. Have a great, great, marvelous day. So, I've got to go. I've got to split like yesterday. God bless you, man. Take care. And please don't text and drive. And bye.